You see, this bubble is not actually round shaped. It's more like a blob, somewhat like egg shaped. Another thing about this local bubble is that it's absolutely hot, hovering at a temperature of 1 million degrees. So you may be wondering why we aren't getting cooked in here, since we are absolutely in the middle of it. Well, even though the temperature is really hot, the atoms are so spread out that they don't heat up things so much. Alright, now we know a bit about the shape and temperature of a local bubble, but finding more about that when we are physically inside, it's not easy. Suppose you're inside a house and you have to determine the shape and details of it. Can you do that? It's not easy to determine actually by just sitting inside a room and describe every part of it. All you need is a device like camera which can show you this. In this case is the Rosita, a powerful space-based X-ray telescope built by an institute in Germany. Thanks to this, the scientists got to explore the local bubble in way more details. One big advantage of Rosita is its location. The atmosphere stretches way beyond in space than you realize, with a huge cloud of hydrogen called geocorona which extends well beyond the orbit of the moon. The Rosita sits on a stable position, balancing the Sun and Earth's gravitational pull, which is about 930,000 miles away from Earth. This X-ray observatory is the first of its kind to completely observe the X-ray sky outside our glowing geocorona. With the help of this, the scientists identified that the local bubble is not just sitting idle, it's slowly growing. The area is expanding up and down the galactic plane. By galactic plane, we mean the disc-shaped area where most stars and matters are concentrated. So the local bubble is growing in a perpendicular direction to the galactic plane because there's less in the way above and below the galaxy than the crowded middle. The map of the local bubble also shows us an interesting temperature gradient pattern. Here you can see the hottest parts are marked in red, while the cooler areas are marked in blue. According to supernova theory, it fits with the supernova theory for bubble creation.